The best part of my job is the variety. Being a support technician, I get to do different things, whatever builders need. I get to help them out with that, so it's never the same every day.
We want to get things done, get it out of the way, do as much as we can to help, even help somebody else get something done, and I really like that. I personally like the fact that I get to work with people from other countries. You know, we have people that are Korean, we have a person that's from Colombia.
Members are willing to help each other and innovate to find the best way to do things. People really help each other, and that makes a big difference.
It's kind of like a big family. We're all willing to help each other out in whatever area is needed.
Some of the things that really drew me here are the insurance benefits and the other benefits that are involved, the paid holidays, paid vacation, personal time.
There are a lot of opportunities to grow here. In my 3 years, I've been on third shift in the green room. I went to machining out in block grinding. Then I bid on the lead job on third shift in the green room. I've been on quality circle team, and then I bid on the first shift lead in the green room. So there's just a lot of areas to move around and grow.
Some of the basic skills you need to work in the green room would be basic computer skills, ability to work with hand tools, some mechanical aptitude, and ability to learn about reading blueprints, drawings, and bills of materials, and ability to follow written work instructions.
Some of the skills and qualifications that we are looking for in the green room would be a background in assembly in a manufacturing setting if possible. Somebody that considers herself to be hands-on, high level of dexterity. We like to be able to pass the Purdue test and the pegboard test that we'll administer, as well as being able to read blueprints and again put that learning to application on the job.